In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome printing too small. If you've ever tried to print something from Chrome and noticed that the text or page content comes out much smaller than expected, don't worry. This is usually caused by a print scaling setting. And the good news is that it's very easy to correct. I'll walk you through the exact settings to check so your document prints at a more readable size. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the specific page, file, or document that you want to print. Make sure you have the correct content on screen before changing any print settings, because these adjustments should be reviewed based on the item you're printing. Once that's open, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. This opens the browser options. From there, click Settings to access the available Chrome preferences related to printing and page setup. After that, go to the Print section. This is where Chrome gives you control over how the document will appear on paper. When the print window opens, look for More Settings and click it to expand the additional options. This section is important because the default print view may hide the exact setting that is causing the page to print too small. Now find the Scale option. If it is set to a default value that shrinks the page too much, click on it and choose Custom. Then set the scale to 125%. This increases the size of the printed content and is often enough to fix pages that look too tiny on paper. If your printout was difficult to read before, this adjustment should make the text and layout much clearer. Next, check the paper size and make sure it matches the paper that is actually loaded in your printer. This matters because if Chrome is set to a different paper size, the browser may automatically shrink the content to fit, which can make everything appear smaller than intended. Also look at the layout setting and confirm that it is correct for what you're printing. For example, if the page should print vertically, make sure Portrait is selected. And if it needs a wider layout, choose Landscape instead. The wrong layout can sometimes affect how the content is scaled on the page. Once everything looks correct, click Save, then choose the printer destination where you want the document to be sent. After that, you can go ahead and print your document. That's how to fix Google Chrome printing too small and make your printed pages easier to read.